Today's breaking news. Globalization is a bizarre phenomenon. Despite iPhones being manufactured in China, it is reportedly profitable to smuggle the handsets into mainland China from Hong Kong. Getting caught, however, can be extremely costly. Chinese media is reporting that a man has been stopped at Fushun Port in China with 94 iPhones attached to his body with cling film and sticky tape, a technique referred to in coverage as iPhone armor. According to the Huffington Post, he was spotted because of his weird walking posture, joint stiffness and muscle tension. One phone in a pocket can be uncomfortable, so one can only imagine how awkward it is to carry 94. All of Apple's iPhones are made in China under contract before being shipped to countries around the world. But actually buying one in the country can be difficult. Until recently, there was no official way other than to resort to the black market. Now there are deals with legitimate providers such as China Mobile, but contracts and handsets are relatively expensive compared to devices from Chinese manufacturers. Even then, supply is limited, especially of the latest models. This means that buying new or second-hand handsets elsewhere in the world and smuggling them into China can be extremely profitable. From the photographs, it appears that the majority of these handsets are second-hand iPhone 5s, but there are also some iPhone 6 and 6 Plus models. The penalties for smuggling under Hong Kong law, where this man was reportedly caught, can be as high as a $2 million, £171,000, fine and 7 years in prison.